future, innovation, whānau, Ngāti Tiata. Anei a Te Ara Rangatahi. Kia ora, I'm Kahurangi Taylor and I'm the Project Development Manager for Te Ara Rangatahi. Te Ara Rangatahi is a youth organisation that was founded by young people with the aim of enhancing opportunities for young people to succeed. We want to build the next generation of future leaders that are balanced of both Te Ao Māori and Te Ao Pākehā. The dream for Te Ara Rangatahi is to provide a holistic support system for rangatahi, a place where they can come and get access to employment help, education help, justice, health. They can gain it from this one place.
Te Ara Rangatahi has helped me build my confidence and self-esteem, maybe reach out to more different people and opportunities.
I think Te Ara Rangatahi has helped the iwi by getting all our rangatahi together, providing them with a youth space, somewhere for us to hang out.
Te Ara Rangatahi supports youth between 12 and 25 years old, but obviously being marae-based, our doors are open to everyone.
I love how we can all come together as a whānau, all the cousins, and do something positive for our iwi.
You know, it's all about having dynamic people, also having a wide range of people supporting their initiative. And I think, as I said to them before, there's nothing better than working with people who are enthusiastic and actually want to achieve outcomes.
Te Ara Rangatahi is having an impact for young people, but it's also having an impact on their siblings, their parents, their grandparents, because they get to see the development of their young people. They get to experience the pride as their young people walk into Parliament and receive national awards. They get to experience the joy when their young people get a new job. And they get to experience the pleasure of seeing them run events for the iwi and for the community.
Mā tātou anō.
A tātou tikanga
E arataki.
Only we ourselves can make things happen.